how to review tags before appearing on Facebook. Now, let's say you just want to review the tags that you are getting whenever you open your Instagram account because you are cautious as to whatever pops up on your profile feed. Now, in order for you to review the tags that you are getting, all you have to do is to tap on these three lines on the upper corner right here, and then click on the settings icon right here. Now, once you're here, you just have to scroll down until you see profile and tagging right here. So you just have to click on that. And once you're here, you just have to scroll down until you see this section that says reviewing. Now you just have to toggle on review tags people add to your post before the tags appear on your Facebook. So you just have to toggle this on right here so that if someone who is not your friend tags you on their post, you will be asked to review that specific tags before they appear on your profile feed so that you will be safe on your profile account. So that's how to review tags before appearing on Facebook. Hope we help.